In this video, I'll show you how to fix the security threat detected issue on Roblox. First, open Settings, go to Connections, tap on More Connection Settings, and check if any VPN or private DNS is enabled. If it is, turn it off immediately. For the second method, open Settings, scroll down to Apps, search for and open Roblox. Then tap Force Stop. After that, go to Storage and clear both the cache and data. Next, open the Play Store and make sure your Roblox app is fully up to date. Finally, restart your device. These steps are very effective for fixing this issue. That's it for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.